Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing good. So today's session I am going to tell you about what is web application firewall. Before that I would say what is firewall. So the firewall is a network perimeter device. So purpose of firewall to control on-premises user to access outside network, which means whenever user initiate the traffic from inside network, the traffic will traverse via firewall. Okay, this is my firewall. Okay, so then the traffic will goes to outside network. So the firewall, we can say it is a proxy device. Okay, which means forward proxy, because whenever user initiate the traffic from inside network, it will check the user traffic whoever allowed in the firewall. If user has privilege to access outside network, then firewall will allow the traffic, then it will goes to outside network. So which means it is the forward proxy. But in web application firewall is nothing but, we can say, as reverse proxy, because so user initiate the traffic from outside network. First it will goes to via WAF device, web application firewall. Then the traffic will goes to application server. So main thing, what is the purpose of web application firewall? So we need to know before we are going to discuss about web application firewall. So web application firewall, it full and full protect the application from the unauthorized access or illegitimate hit. So we are living IT world. So business is most important thing, and we have to give a full service our application to the outside network. Then only our business will grow day by day. So we have to make sure there is no downtime, and we have to keep our customer data secure manner, and we have to protect our customer data from any unauthorized access or malicious user or a hacker, whatever it is we can say. So what is the difference between traditional firewall and web application firewall? So traditional firewall is nothing but it is act as a forward proxy. Web application firewall, it act as a reverse proxy. Other than web firewall is it is used for control on premises user, and we can monitor the network traffic via firewall, and also it have a minimum number of security compared to web application firewall. In web application firewall, it was designed full protect web application firewall. We have to know about WAP's top 10 vulnerability. So the WAP's authorized person will release 3 years once what are the vulnerabilities are there in application, which means based on the threat value, they release 3 years once list of vulnerability details. So in WAPs, first we have to say about WAF. So in WAF device having lot of signature file, and the lot of application programming configuration, so that we can make sure our application to protect any unauthorized access. Okay, this is the web application firewall. And one more thing, in market there are lot of vendors are available for particular web device. For example, F5, Big IP, and Radware, Imperva, etc. We can say a lot of vendors are there. Each and every product having a different individuality and different feasibility and different feature. So based on the customer requirement, and based on the business purpose, we can purchase whatever it is, whatever we want that. Okay, so this is the difference between firewall and WAF. Okay, and and one more thing, in WAF we can use the load balancer feature also. So server load balancer, which means if I have the if I have multiple server to serve you particular application, means we can traverse the traffic via WAF. WAF will act as a reverse proxy, and the reverse proxy it's provide application security module, and server load balancing features are provided under WAF device. So I hope this video will helpful for you to understand about what is WAF, what is firewall, and what is the difference between firewall and WAF. So if you need any more concept about WAF, any other technology, whatever it is you want, you can leave it comment in the comment section below. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.